जैसे सीताफल ये सब सीड मिलेगा। एक फ्रूट में मैक्सिमम 30 सीड मिलेगा। ये सीड यूज करेगा। इसको 1 वीक फर्मेंटेशन करेगा बाद में 4 वीक लाल चॉकलेट करेगा बाद में।
Okay, these are the cocoa seeds. Collect from the first process, collect the seeds and fermentate for 7 days in a cloth jar. Without adding any ingredient for the fermentation. After 7 days, we will wash it proper and dry it in the sunlight. After drying, we will roll in a pan. Like after roasting, we will remove the seeds and instant after we will make it chocolate. This is again. This process is called the next 9 for 8 and in we have 7 minutes.
Kalau ready, but we fry